What do I do with my Ozempic when I go on vacation? So with the summer holidays coming up, I'm getting lots of questions about how to travel with your medication. And if you're boarding an airplane, I do recommend that you bring your Ozempic pen and the needles in the original cardboard box that it's packaged in, that's given to you by your pharmacy, because that will have your patient name, label, and prescription information on the box. As we've talked about before, when you take an Ozempic pen out of the fridge, it's good for up to 8 weeks unrefrigerated, but they do still recommend that you keep it between 2 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, or 36 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're traveling to a place that has air conditioning, you don't have to pack a cooler with you, but I do strongly recommend you bring the medication in your carry-on as opposed to putting it in your checked luggage. Now, what do you do if you forget to pack your Ozempic? Well, the recommendations are that ideally, if you could take it as soon as you get home, if it's been 5 days or less since you missed your last dose, you can take that medication and then resume your normal schedule the following week. But if it's been more than 5 days, they recommend that you just skip that week and resume your regular scheduled dose the following week. Also, when on vacation, most of us tend to overindulge a bit in terms of eating more or drinking more alcohol than we would at home, and that can increase or exacerbate your Ozempic side effects. So it's best to try to minimize your portions, not to overeat on heavy foods, and to make sure you stay really well hydrated by drinking lots of water. Finally, remember, if you're nervous about traveling with your Ozempic pen, it's totally safe and okay to just leave it at home and to not take it while you're traveling. But I do recommend to my patients who've been away for more than a few weeks to possibly consider restarting your Ozempic at a lower dose just to ease your body back into it to reduce side effects. And the most important take-home message here is have a fantastic vacation.